When we benchmark the MacBook Neo against its rivals, the comparisons get fascinating. Let us look at how the Neo stacks up against the category king of premium thin laptops, the new M5 MacBook Air. The Air gives you a much better screen, proper high-speed ports across the board, MagSafe charging, and a backlit keyboard. But you're paying almost double the price. If your main goal is writing emails, watching YouTube, and doing schoolwork, the Neo gives you the vast majority of the Apple experience for half the money. Then we have the high-end Chromebook market. For $599, you can buy a premium Chrome OS device from Lenovo or HP. The Neo absolutely destroys them. You're getting a full desktop operating system, native Apple Intelligence features, and seamless integration with your iPhone. The build quality of the Neo makes similarly priced Windows and Chrome laptops feel like disposable toys.